Yeah, good morning everybody once again. You're all welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Today is Friday, the 16th day of October. We are back on it again on our morning ritual exercise. Jogging all the way. Today, we are gonna share some motivational words for beginners. I will share some motivative words for you beginner. You that is watching this video, thank you for doing that. All of you that have subscribed to my channel, thank you for giving me that support. And I say thank the people that are still willing to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to do that after watching this video. Exercise is the key to sound health. That has been my slogan on my channel. So I woke up one day and asked myself, why is it that we have so many people in this world that very minute few of them, of course, used to exercise? Upon how important exercise is. It's a very little fraction of people on earth that exercise. Well, it keeps bothering me knowing how important exercise is in our life. There's so many of us never see it as something that is worth doing. And most of us that even want to start doing it, one thing or the other will be holding us back. So today, I want to share some motivational words that will help us to start exercising. Firstly, let's see exercise as a priority, as something that is important in our life. Then make out a time schedule. Like, you can start from setting your alarm in the morning, time to wake up. I know it's very difficult for many of us to start doing it in the morning, but you have to start from somewhere. Start by setting your alarm. Thank God that we have smartphone. Now everybody has a smartphone. Set your alarm 6 o'clock, 6:30, depending on your time schedule. Wake up by that time. Try and do some meditation after your like 3 to 5 minutes meditation. Then get up, put on your canvas, put on your sneakers. If it is as a beginner, you can start from trekking. Walk around your house, your compound, or come out on the street. Walk, take a walk. There's no way you come out in the morning around your area to take a walk that you will not see people that are walking. You can join them. Even if you don't know them, you can be following their steps. Walk. Then add some little jogging on it. Walk and jog. You can walk like a pro, then jog like 30 seconds. Keep walking again. You cannot do everything. You cannot just start today and start jogging the way I do. It takes time. I've been in this thing since 2010. That was when I started jogging. It's a long time now. It's 10 years now. So, I've been part of me. Try. Start from walking. Make it that time to wake up and hit the road. It's a very positive step to exercise. It's a very positive step to eat. If you can maintain it Wow. Do it for 1 week. And let me remind you, there are body pain that is attached to it. On the first day you start exercising, you start having body pains, but ignore it. Don't take any painkiller for it. Say no to paracetamol or Panadol. Don't take them. Continue. When you wake up the next day, you find out that all your knee, your ankle, everywhere you are having some little pain on it. Don't mind it. Ignore it and start walking the next day. By the time you come out and walk, say for 2 to 3 minutes, those pains will disappear. They are just there to threaten you. Because there's a saying that no pain, no gain. In exercise, there is no any exercise that you do that you will not have the feeling, the pain in your body. You are human. But when you have the endurance, when you have the spirit to endure it, the pain will disappear. Before you know it, it will be part of you. You will not feel pain again. You can jog. And one other thing I want to tell you is that once you start from walking, make sure that any day you come out, try to top the distance that you walked the first day. Assuming you cover like 2 kilometers the first day, when you come in the next day, try and make it 2.5 kilometers. That will keep encouraging you. Walk more. Do something more the next day. Keep on increasing it until you start jogging. Jog all the time. When you start jogging, you will now start seeing the benefits. You start losing weight. Your body will start getting to form. You start seeing the effect. Most of the clothes that you are wearing before will be oversized. You change your wardrobe. You start looking good. So, I believe that if you are still listening to my movie up to this time, you must have make up your mind that you give it a trial. Try to do something. Just give it a trial. The benefit is much. Especially now that the pandemic is hitting back again. The COVID-19 is hitting the whole world again. We need to strengthen our immune system through exercise. Exercise your body. Get more strength. Strengthen your immune system so that you can resist this disease. You can resist this virus. There's no two ways about it. By exercising, we chase away so many little things that is causing us to cause sickness in our body. They will all go. You sweat it off. Sweat it out. Burn it out. Burn the excess fat. Let your body look flexible. Be more flexible. Be more agile. So I urge you to start doing something. Get up from down your bed. Make up time. Because it's time. Time alone is what you need. Then the motivation, the zeal, the urge comes secondly. So start by bringing out time in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, depending on your time schedule, your schedule of work or what you do. So I don't want to make this a very long video. They just pick the point that I said here. Motivation. Get motivated. Watch my videos and see how far I've gone. You can still do it. You can start doing it now and see the benefits. Please, I urge you, you that have not subscribed to my channel, to do that. You can see it's not easy jogging and talking at the same time as I'm jumping from west to west. Just bear with me. It's not an easy one. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Yeah, it's where we call it a day for today. Thank you for watching it to this point, and make sure you start exercising. Thumbs up. Have a wonderful and a great day. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.